Hi everyone, we're at Fort Pierce at the condo, and I'll tell you the code is pound 5559. Right here, we're gonna take the service elevator. We're gonna go to PH.
What do you think about all the buttons?
I like the buttons, they're very cool. And 11.
Okay, you gonna tell them the cool features?
So
what
the
happens?
cool features is the door. Wait, let's close the door, okay? Yeah, the shop looks cool. Let's close the door. So you see, look at the interior. These are for the objects for the elevator and stuff.
When people are moving their
Yeah,
furniture.
they have a carpet right here so it doesn't damage the floor.
Mm-hmm.
They have they have old lights.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go to look.
And then are you gonna tell them about the trick, how it goes automatically
Yeah, we're
up
gonna
and down?
do that.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna take the service elevator one more ride, and I'm gonna show you. Okay?
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Ah. Wow. And this one is automatically going up.
Mm-hmm. And this one is down, waiting for us. Perfect. That's so nobody has to wait in the lobby.
Yeah. They might want to check our phone 11, so we should do that. Yep. We're gonna go PH. They might want to check out floor 11, so let's do floor 11. We're gonna go to floor 11. Oh no.
All right, let's go to PH.
Wait, we're gonna go to. Yeah, we're gonna go PH now because we're gonna see a full ride down. We're gonna go to L. Wait, we're going to L.
Oh, we're going a full ride down? I thought we
Yeah.
were done.
Yeah, we're doing a full L.
And then we're going back up?
Yeah.
All right, that's it. You told me 5 minutes.
I know.
Okay, awesome.
We're gonna go to PH and then we're done with this video, okay?
Awesome.
done with this video, okay? I'm gonna say bye.